Hi Shopify Pros, I'm Ryan and welcome to the TinyImage channel. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about asset preloading using the TinyImage app. Asset preloading is a paramount feature to speeding up your store's load time, which makes a huge difference in keeping your customers happy and boosting sales. So let's get started. Asset preloading is a simple yet very powerful tool. It's all about loading key resources like images or scripts or even the next page before you need them. For example, with asset preloading set to active, when someone hovers over a link in your store, it will start fetching that page's results in the background. Then, when you click it, it seems like it loads instantly. This makes your store browsing experience much smoother, much faster, cuts bounce rates, and boosts user satisfaction. And as we know, a happy customer is a paying customer. Now that we know what it is and why it's important, let's see how to activate it in your TinyImage app. First of all, if you haven't completed the setup wizard, make sure to do so, as step 2 will guide you to activate and deactivate like so. If you have completed the setup wizard and you're not sure if it's activated or not, simply choose Improve Speed from the menu bar on the left, followed by Set Up Asset Preloading. All you need to do now is click Activate or Deactivate. It's as easy as that. Tiny tip, if you activate this tool and see images in your store suddenly become blurry or disappear, it means asset preloading was already applied to your store. In such cases, come back to our app and deactivate asset preloading. For more information, check out our article from the link in the description below. And of course, if you have any additional questions, please contact our 24/7 in-app human customer support team. And there you have it. With TinyImage, asset preloading is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just set it up and let TinyImage do the work so you don't have to. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more image optimization tips and tricks. Until then, keep those clicks coming.